Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is chain rule. Chain rule is a part of differentiation and we will talk about related rate of change. जब हम rate of change की बात करते हैं तो rate is always with respect to time. ठीक है? There will be two variables involved that will be connected and they will be changing with respect to time. Instead of dy by dx only, we will have dy by dt, means rate of change of y and rate of change of x, right? dx by dt. So what is the chain rule? Chain rule connects all of this together. How does it do it? Let's see. Suppose if we have dy by dx, this will be equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. If we have dy by dt over here, this will be equal to dy by dx into dx by dt. If we have dx by dt here, then it's going to be dx by dy into dy by dt. मुझे कैसे पता लग रहा है कि क्या करना है और मैं कैसे सारे फॉर्मूले बना रही हूँ? क्या मैं सबको चेंज कर रही हूँ? क्या मैंने याद किया हुआ है? What is happening? बेसिकली मैंने कुछ भी याद नहीं किया हुआ. हम इसको इस तरीके से ले लेते हैं. I will pick this formula. इसके अंदर हम देखते हैं हो क्या रहा है. जो बेसिकली चीज़ हो रही है वो क्या हो रहा है? दिस एंड दिस इज सेम, दिस एंड दिस इज सेम, एंड द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द फर्स्ट वन एंड द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द लास्ट वन आर द सेम. अब मुझे क्या पता कि मुझे डी वाई राइट पे रखना है या डी एक्स राइट पे रखना है? दैट डिपेंड्स टोटली ऑन द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट नॉर्मली हैपन्स इज़ कि हम इस साइड पे वो रखते हैं जो हमें पता करना होता है. Things which are required, we keep them on this side and the other ones on the other side. Let's solve a question and we will see how to do it or how to apply it. Let's have a look at the question. A curve has an equation y is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. A point is moving along the curve in such a way that at P, the y coordinate is increasing at a rate of 4 units per second, means dy by dt is given 4 units per second, means per second में 4 units increase हो रहा है, changing with respect to time, and x coordinate is increasing at the rate of 6 units per second, means dx by dt is given 6. Find the x coordinate of P. So first we find out dy by dx is equals to dy by dt into dt by dx. We have dx by dt, so in place of dt by dx we are going to write 1 upon 6. What is dy by dx here? We are going to differentiate it. We have y is equals to an equation. We are going to differentiate the equation. So dy by dx becomes 2x minus 2 is equals to dy by dt is given, which is 4, into dt upon dx means the inverse reciprocal of this. So we have 1 upon 6. Dx minus 2 is equals to 4 upon 6. We simplify it, it becomes 2 upon 3. We cross multiply. This becomes 6x minus 6 is equals to 2. 6x equals 2 plus 6 is 8. And x is equals to 4 upon 3. This is the answer. Another question. A point P is moving along the curve y is equals to something something in such a way that the x coordinate of P is increasing at the constant rate of 2 units per second. Dx by dt is given 2 units per second. Find the rate at which y coordinate of P is changing when x is equals to 4. Okay, so find the rate at which y coordinate of p is changing. It means that we want to find out dy by dt. So we are going to put dy by dt on the extreme left. So we write dy by dt is equals to dy by dx into dx by dt. dy by dt we have to find out. Dx by dt is the differential of this one. What is this? 18. So differential of 18 is 0, and the differential of minus 3 upon 8 is minus 3 upon 8. We bring the power down, which is 5 upon 2. X to the power 5 upon 2 minus 1 is 3 upon 2, because this is 2.5 and minus 1 becomes 1.5, which is 3 upon 2. And what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is given, which is 2. So this 2 cancels. Dy by dt is equals to minus 15 upon 8 into the value of x, which is 4. We can write it 2 square multiply by 3 upon 2. 3 and 2 cancels. So we have minus 15 into 2 cube, which is 8 upon 8. dy by dt is equals to minus 15. This is the answer. And minus 15 means that y is decreasing at the rate of 15 units per second.